I'm going to prank my boyfriend with the back crack, putting pasta in my mouth. Hey, will you crack my back? Not much. A little.
What was that?
Oh my God!
What was that?
My back!
What the fuck?
What did you do?
I barely even picked you up. What was that? What happened? What the fuck is going on right now?